In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to Zoho Books profile. Adding a logo helps your organization look polished and consistent across invoices, emails, and your account, and it only takes a minute once you know where to go. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so your logo looks sharp. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. This takes you to the Zoho Books interface. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may appear as your initials or a small avatar image. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, click My Account. This opens your Zoho account settings in a new view where you can manage details tied to your profile. In the account settings, locate and click Profile. This section holds your basic identity information that displays across Zoho services. Inside the profile area, click Personal Information. Here you'll see your name and contact details along with a spot for your profile image or logo. Find the current profile logo area. It might show a placeholder if you haven't uploaded anything yet, and click right on the profile logo. That click brings up options related to your image. Choose Upload New. Your computer's file picker will open so you can browse for your logo. Navigate to the folder where your logo is stored, select the file you want to use, and then click Open. Zoho will begin uploading the image and apply it to your profile. A few quick tips while you choose a file. A square image generally fits best, so a 1:1 aspect ratio helps avoid cropping. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks clean on light and dark themes. Aim for a clear, high-resolution file, something around 500 by 500 pixels or larger, while keeping the file size reasonable so it uploads quickly. If your logo has fine text, make sure it has enough contrast to remain readable at smaller sizes. After the upload completes, you should see your new logo displayed in the personal information section. Give it a moment if your internet connection is slow. If the image looks off-center or cut off, try using a version of your logo with a bit of extra padding around the edges and repeat the same steps to upload it again. That's it. You've added your logo to your Zoho Books profile, helping your brand appear consistent everywhere it shows up in the platform. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any segment if you want to follow along step by step.